Vitamin D helps our body use and absorb calcium, which is important for strong bone and teeth. Vitamin D is also very important to help with muscles, nerves, and the immune system to work properly. Very few food actually contains vitamin D. There are some natural sources, including fatty fish, mushrooms, egg yolk, for example, but a lot of the foods actually have vitamin D added to them, including our milk products, so milk, yogurt, margarine, for example, as well as a lot of plant-based milk, soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, for example. You want to be checking the nutrition label to see if they have vitamin D added. Our body can also make vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight, but that would be highly dependent on your skin type, the location, as well as if you're using sunscreen, for example. For a lot of people, a supplement might be needed to help them get enough vitamin D.